5 types of women that men do not want as a wife. We've already deciphered which men you should not take to the altar. Now we are sincere and we accept that some women are not a good option to get married. Now it's time to give men a little help knowing what kind of woman they should not marry. If you consider yourself one of the following women, there is still time to change. Take note to not fall into any of the categories and to reach a lived happily ever after. 1. Miss Mandona. It is in their DNA to command anyone who crosses their path. When a man arrives at their lives, at first they exude an air of tenderness and security, but after a while, they become demanding to the point that no one can stand them. 2. Wants to change him. She passes without realizing it, but little by little she shapes him to her taste and whims, from his clothes to his eating habits. They can get to the point of changing his friendships. 3. Miss Obsessed. At first, the man will be flattered by the dedication of the woman towards him, but after a while, he will feel suffocated and overwhelmed. As a woman, you should have some other interest in your life apart from your love relationship. 4. Miss Papa-Daughter. This woman had a very stormy relationship or perhaps none with her father, so she always goes out with older men seeking parental protection more than a boyfriend or husband. They will always go to their man for any insignificant detail, constantly seeking approval from him. The time will come when the man wants to be with a real woman and end the relationship. 5. Miss Gossiper. It's like having her own personal entertainment magazine. She loves gossips and talking about other people. At first she gains curiosity about what she has to say, but in the long run, the man will wonder what she is saying about him behind his back. Learn how to get a man to love you. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.